Hello and welcome to Anaplan's Market Share and Growth Forecasting Accelerator demo. Today we will walk through the initial steps needed to set up this accelerator and also familiarize users with its functionality. We will be going over some different examples of how users can leverage this accelerator to set top-down strategic sales, growth, and volume targets all the way down to the brand level. The first dashboard that you land in upon downloading is the Model Setup dashboard. You will find a number of informative items to help understand certain elements of this accelerator, which will provide guidance during the configuration process. First, we will need to set up personal access rights to the demo data within the model. This demo data will assist users in familiarizing themselves with model functionality and its ideal use cases. To grant yourself full access to the model and the preloaded demo data, navigate to the Settings tab and click on the Users option. Once here, you will locate your user profile and make sure that the model role column is set to full access. Here, as a model administrator, you will be able to fully customize each user's profile and grant customized selective access from the highest organizational level all the way down to the regional or business unit level. Now that we have set up the selective access features, let's navigate back to the Model Setup dashboard. Once you have familiarized yourself with the model and its functionality, you are ready to clear the demo lists and metadata and begin configuring the model to fit your organization. By selecting the Clear Model option on the Model Setup dash, you will run a process to clear the demo lists and metadata. Once completed, you will begin populating the lists and their hierarchies to meet your business planning needs. Now, you are ready to open the app and begin to configure it to your liking. Once you open the app, you can see the home page that shows an overview of your country's sales and targets for both current and future years to come. The graphs below put the numbers above into something that is easy to understand for the current year's sales and profit goals as well as plans. You can easily switch both the region and the product at the top, and the numbers and graphs will all automatically update below. Next, we will dive into the volume planning aspect of the app and how we get to these numbers on the home page. Once you click on the Flex Volume Plan button, it will bring you to the volume input page. Here is where you can set your market growth rates for the foreseeable future, as well as set up different scenarios to see how the market growth and market share correspond with each other. You can easily switch the inputs for market growth assumptions and see the size of the market update as well as the volume scenario graph on the right. Below are the different scenarios that you can manipulate to see what your volume could be in different circumstances. For instance, if you want to see what a high market share would look like with a flat market growth, you can do this and easily see the graph update in real time. We can also dive deeper into seeing where and how your volume increase is actually coming from by clicking on the Volume Growth Analysis button. Here, you can manipulate your scenarios by market growth and share, and see what your change in volume for each scenario would be, as well as if your change is coming from the change in market size or the change in market share. Let's say we want to see scenario 2. We can see that most of the change is due to market size, as the share in this scenario is set to constant. However, if we want to increase the share to medium, we can see that this drastically changes what your volume increase is being contributed to. Next, we can get into pricing assumptions by clicking the Flex Price Plan button. Here, we can see your volume growth being compared to both price and sales growth. You can also change the price increase assumptions for each year and see how these changes affect your graphs. Say you think that in year 2016 you believe that the price increase is going to be 4%. When this is changed, you can see that the graph below for that year drastically increases for price and sales growth. You can also manipulate the price increase at the product level within each brand by clicking the override checkmark and increasing or decreasing that certain product's price change to your liking. If you want to see this information for just one certain product within the brand, simply click on the product and the graph below will automatically update to that specific product. Last is the Advertisement and Promotion Planning. Click on the Flex A&P Investment Plan button to get into the final driver for this app. In this dashboard, you can see where each brand and product is positioned within its respected market and where it's headed in the future based on the thresholds on the right, which can be manipulated. From this information, you can refine your advertising and promoting spending to help products that are struggling and allocate A&P costs accordingly based on the product's marketing position. I hope that this brief demo was able to assist you in better understanding the configuration process and model functionality within the Market Share and Growth Forecasting Accelerator. If you should have any other additional questions or concerns, feel free to contact our applications team by emailing apps@anaplan.com or by posting any inquiries on the Anaplan Community Forum. Thank you for your time and enjoy your new accelerator.